Please, is it true that the real Filipinas are black? Not exactly true. However, the first people who inhabited the Philippines are black people. We call them negritos or negritas, meaning small black people. In other words, we also call them Aitas or Itas. However, Filipinos or Filipinas are mixed with a lot of nationalities. Filipinos are mix of Southeast Asian countries such as Malaysian, Indonesian, Vietnam, Taiwan, or China. We are also mixed with people from Polynesia, Micronesia, and Melanesia, and also people from the southern coast of Africa. In other words, we have a name or term for that. It's called Austronesians, meaning Filipinos or Filipinas are mixed with multiple different races. And also during the colonization of Spaniards, Japanese, Americans, and I believe Chinese, that's when Filipinos became halo-halo, means mix. We have another word for that as well. We say morena if you have a dark skin. We say chinita if you have small eyes. And we also say mestiza or mestizo if you're a Filipino or Filipina who's half white. So moreno, morena if you have a dark skin, or chinita or chinito if you have small eyes, and mestizo or mestiza if you are a half-breed. Sometimes a Filipino or a Filipina can be a mestiza chinita or morena chinita chinito. So in other words, Philippines has such an amazing and unique beauty of people. So let's say, for example, you will say, oh, I want to go to Africa because I want to marry a black girl. Or you will say, oh, I want to go to China, Korea, Indonesia, or Malaysia because I want to marry those type of girls. Or you can say, oh, I want to marry a Latina because I like Latina. Guys, you don't have to go to all those countries. All you have to do is go to the Philippines because we have everything in the Philippines. All the beauties that you're looking for is in the Philippines. So basically, when you go to the Philippines, it's like going to Walmart. Walmart has everything you're looking for. And on top of that, it's affordable. And do you see this beauty? This is the example of beauty in the Philippines. Okay, so now you know.